Hey everybody, and thanks for joining us today. Today we're going to be taking the sway bar link off this 2006 Toyota Rav4. As you can see, the rubber is cracked around and the booting has become worn and damaged, causing dirt to seep in, more than likely causing this to make some clunking and popping sounds as this driver was driving down the road. So, we got ourselves a new sway bar link from Master Pro. We're going to need a H6 hex wrench with a ratchet and a 3/4 inch wrench to remove the sway bar. I will demonstrate on this new one by simply putting the hex wrench into the center bolt of the new sway bar link and using the wrench to turn the bolt on or off. So we can first begin by removing the tire and then removing the nut on the top part of the sway bar link, which is located just underneath the spring. Once we remove the top bolt, we can begin removing the bottom bolt, which is located on the sway bar itself. Once we have removed the old sway bar, the new sway bar can be simply installed by replacing the nut onto the bolt in the first hole. Once we have it torqued to 35 to 40 pounds, we can proceed to add the second bolt of the sway bar link to the sway bar, and again torque to 35 to 40 pounds. After that, we can then reattach our tire. Installing the lug nuts from top to bottom will ensure that the tire does not come off while you are trying to first hand tighten all the lugs. Hand tightening lugs first ensures that they do not be stripped while using an air tool. Thanks for watching everybody, and be sure to hit that subscribe button, and also be sure to hit that like button. It's just a small way you can help support my channel. See you on the next one everybody. Stay safe out there.